Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris Cicada. I've been getting this question a lot. Why should I start investing and when should I start investing? So in the beginning of this video, I want to nip these questions in the butt right now. When should you start investing? That's right now. I answered the question right now. Like right now, okay? And why should you start investing? Well, those answers vary person to person, okay? And why it motivates you to start investing, again, varies person to person. But in this video, I want to give you guys 3 main reasons why you should start investing right now. And I'm gonna give you some of my personal experiences, and these 3 reasons are kind of the reasons why I started investing on my own as well. And I'm just trying to bring you guys a lot of value and give you guys a little bit of motivation, because I know people and some of you may need a little push and to start investing. So if this video brings you guys any value, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button right now. Okay, so the reason many people are kind of scared to start to invest is because they think investments is risky. Okay, and I kind of want to break that myth a little bit. Okay, everything is risky when you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so before you start investing, it's always good to do a lot of research. Maybe not too much research, because sometimes people get scared when they have too much information in their heads. So just do, I guess, a little basic scan of research, get an idea, and as soon as you get your foot inside the terrain of investing, you will be a little bit more comfortable. And that's all it takes, the very first step, okay? So the first main reason why you should start investing right now is because of compound interest, okay? Simply put, compound interest is basically when you put your money and make your money work to make more money. It's like clockwork. Your money's making more money, that's making more money, that's making more money in the long run, okay? Compound interest is a long-term game, okay? Even Albert Einstein, the great Albert Einstein, even said compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Why would he say such a thing? Because compound interest is your best friend. It's probably one of the strongest tools when it comes to investing in personal finance overall, okay? So let me give you guys an example. Let's just say you're gonna start investing into the stock market. Let's just say you wanna lowball everything and just put $100 every month for a year. That's $1,200 every year, okay? The market, let's just say it goes up 10% every year. So you'll be gaining an extra $120 annually, okay? And if you keep doing that and you keep investing, even if it's $100 consistently for many years, compound interest will keep giving you a great percentage back from your money. So your money, the money you're investing, will be making more money long run. That's how, Warren Buffett made a lot of his money, made his fortune, and made his empire because of compound interest. Or let's just say you're going to be in the real estate field. Let's just say you start with one rental property, and that one rental property, it starts an empire. It's just a domino effect, because you're going to use, the compound interest and the money you're using here to buy another property and buy another property. So you're compounding your interest or your housing, to be more wealthier. So compound interest is at its finest. Okay, so now since we're talking about rental properties, reason number 2, so why you should start investing right now: investing has many friends, and some of its best friends are called passive income. Okay, if you guys start to invest in the correct investments, you could generate passive income. So you'll be making money without lifting a finger. You'll be making money while you're at work. Even if you're doing a side hustle or you have a main job, you can still be having or generating passive income through your investments. For example, let's just say you're investing into dividend stocks, okay? Those dividend stocks will be paying you a percentage of what your investment is, quarterly, every month, or annually. So you'll be getting passive income, just because you're investing into the stock market, okay? Or let's just say in real estate, you have a rental property, you'll be generating passive income every month. And who wouldn't like an extra $200, $300, even thousands of dollars every month without doing anything? That's great passive income, okay? And that's basically one of the biggest benefits from investing. You have to take a little bit of risk sometimes when you're investing to make passive income. All right, here's where reason number 3 comes into play. Okay, when you have a lot of passive income, even if you're working a 9-to-5 job, the main reason why most people start investing is because you want financial freedom. That's reason number 3, financial freedom. Okay, the more passive income you have, or the more solidified your compound interest you have or generated, the more chances you have of becoming financially free, okay? Who wouldn't just love not waking up at 6 a.m. in the morning to work at a 9 to 5 job that they don't really like? That's not the cup of tea that everybody wants. Everybody wants to be financially free. That's the main reason why people wake up, That's the main reason why people grind so hard. I know that's why many people are sick and tired of just being unhappy. Many people are sick and tired of doing the same thing every day like clockwork. Financial freedom is the main reason why you should start investing right now. It's going to give you more chances, to be better. You're going to be better than tomorrow. You're gonna be better than yesterday. You're gonna be better than the day before, and I promise you'll be better than today. You'll be better than tomorrow. Okay? I repeated myself a little bit, but that's the thing. That's the passion. Why? Because financial freedom is going to give you happiness and passion. That's what everybody wants, okay? When it comes to financial freedom, you're always going to have a right-hand man. That right-hand man is called compound interest. Financial freedom brings a lot of friends. Those friends are called passive income. And those all together bring an empire called financial freedom. You understand what I did there? You see what I did? That's what everybody wants. And that's what I want for you, and that's what I want for everybody that okay? Financial freedom. The freedom to be financially free, a chance to be happy without stressing. Those are the 3 reasons why you should start investing right now, okay? If you are not convinced, please watch this video again. I promise you will be convinced, okay? Because if my passion is not enough for you, watch it one more time. And if it's still not enough for you, I promise you, I'll come out through the screen and I'll shake you a little bit to give you some common sense. Not really serious, but you know what I mean. That's the gist of it, okay? This video is supposed to bring you guys a lot of value. It's supposed to push you and motivate you into becoming a better person tomorrow, today, right now. Why can't things happen right now? Investments is a great chance to be financially free. Great compound interest will come into play. Passive income will help you, give you a lot of leverage, and financial freedom is the goal for everybody, okay? Investments should be started right now. Not even right now, should have been started yesterday, months before. You should do investments right now. These reasons are the reasons why I started investing for myself, because I knew compound interest will help me long term. I knew passive income will help me out, slowly but surely with months to come. And the main goal at the end of the day is to be financially free. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you found some motivation or some value to this video, please make sure you share the video with somebody that might need a little extra push. And make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video right now. So please be motivated, keep grinding. I know you'll get there. I believe in you. If nobody said it today, I believe in you, all right? Financial freedom, compound interest, passive income, that's the main goal. You should start investing right now. Have a great day.